Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this cute little coin purse from Louis Vuitton. It's called the Damier Ebene Coated Canvas in a rose ballerine color. It has a cowhide leather trim and a cowhide leather lining. Also, it has a press stud closure. The size of this wallet is like 4.3 by 3.15 by like I think 0.98 inch. So that's how small it is. I got this wallet as a gift last March on my birthday, and I really love this wallet, except for one thing. So as you can see, the stud here is already chipping off right there, and I've only been using this for 7 months, but I've been using this every single day, like every single day. This is like my go-to wallet because it could fit in any of my purses. So I really love this wallet. And I called the customer service about the chip, and he said that I could bring it to the nearest Louis Vuitton store and have them repair it. So when you open this wallet, it looks like this. It's in a rose pink color, rose ballerine. It has 2 card slots and another pocket in here, and there's like over here is where you can put your coins right there. So I have a quarter there, and I put my paper bill in there. So I only have a few paper bills. I don't really carry cash, so I put paper bill right there. And if you think that it could only hold 2 cards, no, you're wrong. It could hold a lot of cards, and let me show you. So in this spot right here where I put my cards, there's 2 cards there, my Costco card and my Capital One card. Also on this side is my car key and my ID. So I'm just gonna put it there. All right. Also, I like to put a lot of cards in here. Like these are my credit cards. So I'll put like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5 credit cards. Also, my gift cards, so I don't forget them. So that's 8, except the 2 here and the 2 here. So 8 plus 4, that would be 12. I put my health insurance card and my debit card right there. HSA card is what it was. Also, I put my car insurance and my health insurance cards as well. See that there? So there's like 12 cards in here, or 14. And then I would put some of my stuff here, like my boba cards and other, you know, paper cards like my lotto and like whatever is in there. So that's how it looks like inside. So there is only 2 card slots, but then I was able to fit 14. And when you close it, snaps like that, and this is how it looks like. like this one, like make sure that you actually like separate your cards in between, and this one would fit like that right there. So it separates like that, so it could look like this on the side. I don't know, or you could like put like that part. I don't know how you would part it or separate it, but it should look like that. And that one. And I think that it's a very, very nice wallet. It's a very beautiful rose ballerine color. And the only cons I could say with this is this one. It could also get dirty because every time you close it, you know, like hold it like that. When you open it, you can open it just like that. But when you close it, you have to push the stud right there. So it could get dirty as well. So yeah. But aside from that, it's a very, very good wallet. It's very nice. It's very like practical, handy. It is actually, I looked it up in a website and it is retailed for $400 US, which is, I think, you know, a little bit pricey, but it's a very good compact wallet. Or they say it's a coin purse, but I say it's a wallet. It's a compact, like it's a compact wallet for me, you know. This is how it looks. Like it still looks very, very new. The canvas still in a very, very good condition. It hasn't worn off or anything. It looks pretty new. Also, the rose color looks pretty new. The only issue I have is this one. It's this stud right here that chips off, and I wish they actually like replace this with like a metal gold tone stud, which is like the one that they put in other wallets. So yeah, just be careful if you have this wallet. They could get, you know, like chip off. Some people, they already have it for like years and years, and it didn't chip like this, but I don't know why mine did. But yeah, other than that, it's a very, very beautiful wallet. By the way, guys, if I have a time and a chance to actually go to the store, I will update you guys if I had it fixed. So because I don't like how it looks right now. So as also you can see, I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but also at the bottom here it starts to peel off. So yeah, right there, right here, in this part right here, it starts peeling off. So yeah, so I'll update you guys if I had it fixed. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.